Understanding the grouping and sorting options available when setting up your reports will allow you to have complete control over the organization, layout, and styling of the data. Doing this in Layout View will allow you to experiment with the grouping and sorting of your records into logical arrangements. We're going to create a new report that takes a look at the total number of products that no obstacles has sold. We'll start by taking a look at this query that I've set up called Products Sold. I'll double-click on it to run it, and you'll see that we're pulling information about the department and category of each of our products. Then we're calculating the total number sold and the overall value that they've contributed to our bottom line. If I switch into Design View, we'll see that this is a totals query. And in this fourth column, I've got the total quantity sold, and this one over here, I've got the total value. Let's go ahead and close this query, and we'll start our report. I'm going to make sure that I've got the query still selected here in the navigation pane, and I'm going to go up to Create, and I'm going to press the Report button here. That'll generate a basic report and set us up in Layout View. Let's go ahead and adjust these sizes so that we're not running off the page. I'll take my department field and shrink it down, and we'll do the same thing with category. Shrink it down. Now everything is fitting onto a single page. I'm actually going to give some more room to product because some of my product names are quite long. I'll adjust that out a little bit more. Right now, I'm seeing a single line for every record that's being fed from the query. If I go up to my ribbon here, we've got some options on the Design tab called Group and Sort. If I turn that on, that'll add this new window down to the bottom where I can start grouping these records together. I'm going to press Add a Group, and I'm going to choose to group them based off of their category. Now my records are sorted by category. I've got the furniture category, and then all of the departments under that. And if I scroll down through my report, we'll see the home category here, and then all the departments under that. I'll go ahead and scroll back up. I can add additional groups down below that. I'll go ahead and add a new group here, and this time I'll group on department. Now I've got the furniture category and the bedroom department, and then all of the products that fall into that department. Then I've got the dining department, still in the furniture category, and those products. I can scroll down to see all of the products and the category groupings that we have. When I get to a new category, home, the home category has the bath, dining, and entryways departments. Let's go ahead and scroll back up. Now underneath that, we can add sorting options. I can sort based off of the alphabetized product name, or I can start to sort them based off of these values over here, the total number sold and the total dollar value. Maybe I want to see the popularity of some of my products. I'm going to sort them by total sold. I'll add a sort, and a sort by total sold. Now I can see that this is going from smallest to largest. I want to reverse that so that my most popular product is at the top. We'll sort it from largest to smallest. There. If I wanted to see it by overall dollar values instead of popularity, I can sort by total sold dollars instead, here. Now it's sorting by dollar value, and my most profitable products jump to the top of the list. I can also experiment with the ordering. Right now we're looking at the categories and then the departments within each category. If I click on department here, I can reorder these by pressing this up button here to move it to department up. Now I'm grouping on department first and looking at the categories second. So now my departments are my home areas, my bath department, for instance. And below that, I've got the home and textiles. Then I've got my bedroom department. And within the bedroom, I've got furniture and textiles. So I've got a different organization to my records. Let's go ahead and save this report. I'll try and close it here. Access will tell me to save it, and I'll say yes. And I'm going to call this Products Sold, but I'll append by department to note that they are sorted currently by the department. Setting up grouping and sorting options allows you to experiment with the presentation of your data. Adding appropriate sorting to your data will bring the most important insights to the top of the list so that they don't get overlooked.